Hello guys, my name is Virgan and today I will give a quick tutorial on how to install Dana application and register account.
So the first thing you have to do is download the Dana application on your Play Store or App Store on your smartphone. After it finishes, open the application. To register an account, enter your mobile number. Then click next. They will send the OTP code via the message. Enter the OTP code, then enter your name and password. Because I have registered before, then I only need to enter my password. And your account has been registered. How to become a premium account? Click Profile, then click Account Verification. This is the benefit exclusive you can get by upgrading to Dana Premium. After that, you're asked to take a photo of your identity card. Make sure the photo has enough lighting so it doesn't look blurry. To verify your ID card, you need to take a picture of your face. After that, enter your ID and family card number. And your account has become a premium account.
Okay, that's all from me. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. See you!